Ochieng' Emmanuel. Kamati mar od bura mochung'ne puodho jogo mowal ni lemo mag telo kawuono chaka yanga goyo kogno jotelo mane oyier gi jatend piny William Ruto. Jal mane okuongo go kogno en Musalia Mudavadi mane ogwele lemo mar jotend Migepe. Mudavadi ne osiro yiero mar lemono kowacho ni en chik. Mudavadi ne osiro lony kod tich mare nyato ndalo tende kata tenda mar Golden Bag ka Justin Muturi mane en speaker machon mar od bura malo ne ochopo nyim kamati ne thuolo mar ariyo. Muturi ne ogwele lemo mar Attorney General. Jok ma ibiro go kogno moko ting'o Aden Duale, Alice Wahome kod Alfred Mutua.
One of the issues that has constantly and regularly been brought up is the issue of the Golden Bag. Mr. Speaker, I want to state here that at the age of 33, I was appointed to the Ministry of Finance. That is in 1993. That is when the Golden Bag saga had been in existence and was coming to its full-blown situation. This was really a scheme where the intention of government in terms of export compensation scheme went sour and it was misused and it cost the country a lot of damage and expenses. Mr. Speaker, I took up the role of dismantling the network of the Golden Bag Hydra. There are so many issues to this. Frequently, Mr. Speaker, there was even a judicial commission of inquiry under the government of President Mwai Kibaki when he was elected. This commission of inquiry was conducted over a 2-year period. And Mr. Speaker, I just wish to draw members, and I'll be availing the document here, the report of the Judicial Commission of Inquiry, specifically to page 220. There's a paragraph there that is very distinct about me, I think paragraph 589, which clearly brings out the details and exonerates me and even lauds me for having been the individual that stood firm and scuttled and dismantled the Golden Bag scam.
Would you tell